A colleague once told me, biology is the study of dead things in jars. I teach biology for the wonder of life, yet this same study requires students to kill what they love. Our moral compass is caught between two worlds. Science students learn quantitative research. Take this sun glitter. A quantitative study might measure the reflective angles, whereas a qualitative study might ask the philosophical question, why does sun glitter fill me with wonder? My research aims to remarry science and philosophy. Conventional Newtonian science has pushed us toward atomistic thought, dissecting life into isolated fragments. Yet when our gaze is too narrow, we lose sight of the larger webs of relationship. As an alternative, Goethean science is creative and participatory. Through deep empathy, scientists both perceive and receive from their subject. Nature becomes our teacher. Okay, let's stop right here. In the jaws of this excavator are the remains of an eagle's nest in a tree older than any local resident. I grew up here. I have roots in this place, and this is where it is going. My first principle of engaged science education: place-based learning. Study a frog in her native pond, and you come to know and care for her and her environment. Second, contemplative education. When life rushes by, we can forget what matters. The prolonged looking of Goethean science slows down our focus. We pause, reflect, and start to consider the ethical ramifications of our actions in a world that is melting away. Scientists carry out controlled experiments in labs. We have gained much from this research, yet the world doesn't exist in a lab. To nurture an ethic of environmental care, direct experience and a relationship with nature are vital. Whether you're in kindergarten or doing a postdoc in biology, get outside. Over 18 years of teaching science, I have witnessed the disparity between ecological thinking and science education. In response, my doctoral research aims to co-create intentional outdoor learning environments. Through immersive field schools and experiential inquiry, we embrace whole-person pedagogy, where learners show increased empathy and question dominant worldviews. These learners don't simply do science, they ask why, for what purpose, to what moral end. With the climate crisis, oil pipelines, and environmental catastrophes topping headlines daily, a marriage of science and philosophy has the power and potential to cultivate compassionate and eco-literate scientists. The tide is turning.